Welcome back. So guys, in this video we'll see how to find the table of any number. So first of all, I have to declare number. So and the next step, I want to take this number entered by user. So that's why I have used cout enter number to find table of the number that has been entered by user. This is actually the line that I want to print. So I want to print this line in a new line, so that's why I use handle. Now I want to take input number, so that's why I use cin number. So this is actually the number entered by user. So now I have used for loop. So as you know, the for loop have three conditions, three parts. First is initialization, where the loop is initialized, and the second one is condition. So I am initializing and I is equal to 1, it will starting from 1, and I less than equal to 10, it will goes up to 10. So now the updation is I plus plus. So this is our for loop to get the sequence of table. So now I want to print the table form. That's why I use cout to print the number that is entered by user. And in the next I want to print multiply sign, so I use double quote and multiply sign. And the next is number, so I want to use the number that is in a sequence. So I use in for loop I, so it will 1 2 3 4 goes up to 10. And the next that I want to print is equal sign. So the next condition is very important. So the number entered by user and multiply I, so it will give us the sequence of table form. So that is our program. And so run the program, let's see the output. So I have run my program. So enter number to find table. So I have entered 5, so you can see the table of 5 is printing. So guys, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel for more such type of video. Don't forget to press bell icon.